It's alright. Yeah, we'll deal with that today. These are the tools I'm using. It's a 1/2-inch ratchet, 15/16 deep socket for the sensor. This is the replacement sensor. Goes in there, 15/16 deep socket. And I got my 1/2-inch breaker bar, like I said, 1/2-inch socket. If I need any other tools during the process, I will let you know. I will update the list per se. First thing you're gonna wanna do, take off your tire, passenger side wheel, and use a jack stand. You don't want your shit falling on you, that's not good. And I'm not gonna be held responsible for any of you guys killing yourselves. So, all right, so once the wheel is off, you can see that's the sensor right there. It's literally right above your passenger side axle, connected to your oil cooler. It's right there. You just, show you right now. Just pop off that clip. Clip is off. I don't know if you can see that. It's really simple and easy to reach. Then you're gonna take the 15/16 socket, put that on there and turn. So here's the sensor removed. Just doing a visual inspection, make sure everything is good. And it appears to be good. So I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall. All right, now it's screwed in. You can see the new sensor. Let's go and it's plugged in too. New sensor plugged in, little shiny piece, only shiny piece up there. Let's see how it worked. All right. Let's see, $20 sensor. Let's see if it did me justice. And we're good. We are good. And that's it.